Rest it here. Okay. Clear prop. Okay. Let's see what the
Mexico Memorial Airport. Automated weather observation 143 Zulu weather wind 010 at 3 visibility 10.
Very nice, Zenair.
It is.
Very nice.
Mexico traffic, Experimental 650 is going to be back taxiing for runway 36 Mexico.
Okay, so we're going to do a run up here. I've got two ignitions, 2 spark plugs per cylinder, so we're going to run it up to 1600 RPM. Check the right, both, left, both. Controls clear and free. I got flaps. We're going to check the flaps, lower the flaps, bring the flaps up. We won't use any flaps for takeoff. All right, we're going to do a normal takeoff, get out of the area, fly around, and
Mexico traffic, Experimental 104 Zulu is going to be departing runway 36. Will be a local flight for the north, Mexico.
everything looks clear. Airspeed's alive. Nose comes up. Now I've got the prop set for a cruise setting. Yeah. You could change it. We could take off half that distance.
Half distance?
Half that distance, yes. So that would help you in your glider towing.
It's very short.
Uh-huh.
It's incredible. Ah, yes. Wonderful.
Very hazy out today.
Yeah. Without any clouds?
Yeah.
No cumulus?
No.
Ah, yeah.
Because you're not, you probably don't care about the top end speed. It's to take off quick and to climb quick. Correct?
Correct. I think so.
Yeah.
We think so.
Excellent visibility.
Sure.
Yeah, and you can turn around, you can see. There's level flight.
You don't need to...
That's aileron trim. I don't have to adjust it unless I'm really trying to establish a very level flight.
So you don't use...
No.
Never use it?
It's pretty level now.
Ah, yeah.
Okay, we're going to do a 180-degree turn.
Yeah.
Excellent visibility.
Sure. Cet avion est très stable. Vraiment en virage, tenue parfaite.
And we'll go back to the north. And it's still climbing.
Très stable en virage. Très agréable. Les conditions sont parfaites, il faut dire. Très peu de trim, l'avion est réglé, parfait. Bon à plat.
Pretty nice.
Perfect, yeah.
And we're slowing it down. Now we'll lower the flaps. Flaps all the way down.
72.
And we're slowing down.
Maximum of flaps.
Yep, 15 degrees. And we'll try to maintain altitude. Power for airspeed, or altitude, and pitch for airspeed.
L'avion vole très bien à très
Yep.
basse vitesse.
We're level flight, 63
Okay.
miles an hour.
Do not move.
And bring up the flaps. Not much of a horizon today.
Yeah. Doesn't roll.
No.
Roll, huh?
It what?
Doesn't roll.
Rolling?
No, it doesn't roll. Very,
Very stable.
very stable. Perfect. I think it would be very interesting for gliders because you may turn quickly and quickly too.
Correct. And you got great
First-
visibility.
First you have to go to the you have a rope
Right.
behind and you have to put it on the field.
Right. Right.
So you have to, before landing you have to
Release your
to
toe.
release
Correct.
the rope pulling cord. Tout en douceur, et les conditions sont bonnes, mais l'avion est très stable. Laisse à 110 nœuds.
And I'll fly you by the big town of Mexico.
The big town. It's a nice town.
Yeah, nice rural farming community.
It's incredible the surface of corns and soya. It's incredible.
And where do you live in France?
France,
Yeah, where do you live in France?
Bordeaux,
And how close is that to Paris?
on the west, southwest,
Okay. Southwest, okay.
southwest of Paris. The quarter of south.
Okay.
With the suburb, it's about 1 million people.
Wow.
Green, really a green region. We went walking last evening,
Okay.
but nobody.
No, it's
Sunday evening, nobody.
no. Now, there's a, if you like history, there's a little town about 15 miles from here, Fulton, Missouri, and that's where Churchill gave his Iron Curtain speech. Yeah, about 15 miles. Actually, they were supposed to do it in Mexico, Missouri, but they did it in Fulton.
Okay.
All right, well, we're ready to go back for a nice landing?
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
it's perfect.
Mexico traffic, Experiment 104 Zulu Zulu is about a mile west, be inbound landing, enter left downwind for 36 Mexico. And traffic coming to Mexico, what's your distance now? Stand by 455. Call it 5 miles, 4 miles, 455 just south of the field. Roger that. Getting ready to turn left downwind for runway 36, Zulu Zulu. Sounds good. I'll keep an eye out for you. I'll be under that left downwind runway 24, 36 a little tight. 455.
Alright, we got gas, undercarriage, mixture prop, seatbelts. Looks good. We're gonna beam the numbers. We're gonna start bringing back power. And bleeding off the airspeed. And we're going to start lowering the flaps, get in the white range. Got a flap range, a little bit of flap, start our descent.
Only a little bit.
Uh-huh.
Can see very well through the...
Hey, Mexico traffic, Experiment 104 Zulu Zulu is turning left base for 36 Mexico. Hey, Mexico traffic, 455, got the traffic on left base and only 36, no factor. Mexico. Hey, Mexico traffic, Experiment Zulu Zulu is turning final 36 Mexico.
Alright, line up here on final. Deploy the rest of the flaps.
Let's see that.
Yep, he's okay. And rest of the flaps, 15 degrees. Approach speed about 65. Runways look clear. Touchdown at the end, keep the nose off. .64.
Mexico traffic, that's 455, stay on left downwind 24 Mexico.
And I won't apply a lot of brake, just slow down. Well, what'd you think?
Wonderful. Wonderful land.
Good. And like I said, you know, you can really change the performance of the aircraft to your prop setting. You could really make this take off in probably, I would say, 200 feet.
Mexico traffic, 455, left base.
We are going to test.
Yep.
We asked to the manufacturer
Uh-huh.
the propeller.
Duke?
Duke.
Uh-huh.
I don't remember the number of degrees paid. We will try with, but we made a shot for sure.
Right.
Don't want to go very fast. The temperature of the motor, no problem.
No issue at all. We're oil temperature is
Mexico traffic,
176.
455, final 24 Mexico.
We've never had any issues with temperatures on the UL power.
Perfect.
Yeah. And it's
And you don't have any problem with
Yep. And to shut it down, you just turn the key. That's it.
Really perfect.
Excellent.
Ah oui, c'est des...
Okay.
Excellent. Yep. It was a very nice flight. En français dans le texte, très beau vol, très agréable. Deux belles choses, un très bon pilote, very good pilot, and very good conditions, and a marvelous plane. Un très très bel avion, très stable, pas de problème de refroidissement contrairement à ce qu'on a pu dire, spacieux, grande visibilité partout, donc très important pour le tractage de planeurs, parce qu'il y a toujours des planeurs partout. So you have a lot of gliders everywhere. So it's better to see everywhere.
Yes.
On 360 degrees, it's better.
Yes.
So it's quite nice. Décollage court, atterrissage parfait. Et on note qu'avec un pas plus court et sans doute la tripale de Duc, on arrivera à avoir une distance de décollage encore plus courte. We think that with the Duke propeller, with a short angle, it will be a short takeoff, very short takeoff. Perhaps 200 meters?
Feet.
200 feet? 200 feet? It will be really short. 200 feet, donc beaucoup plus court encore que ce que je pensais. Très bien, merci beaucoup Roger. Thank you very much. Merci à toute l'équipe. So the best to go out?
Yeah. Grab
Like that?
this.
We can?
Yeah, this right here.
It's possible to put
Yes.
a handle here?
Yes, there is.
Perhaps I do that. Okay.
And then step right in the seat. You're not going to hurt the upholstery.
Yeah.
You want to get out facing to the front of the aircraft.
Front? It's better?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Face to the front, but step off backwards.
To put
Correct.
my feet here?
Correct. Very good.
My
Excellent.
foot here?
Excellent.
Okay.